And then here's the thing, for each LLC, you want at least two banks or a bank and a credit union, right? So whatever credit union in your area, you want to deal with that credit union because they familiar with, lending or whatever in that area. You may not want to go out of state or out of town and get a credit union. Get one local. I would say get a local credit union. And then you want to do a community bank, right? Or a regional bank. And then you can go with the nationals like Chase, Bank of America. You know what I'm saying? So if you want to go with the national banks, that's Wells Fargo's, Chase, Bank of America, the big banks, right?